Hi guys, it's me, Maddie of the Forex Samurai. Now, I'm going to show you kung posible nga bang kumita ng $2,137.25 or kung i-convert man natin siya sa Philippine peso, it will be 108,000 pesos sa loob ng isang araw. Okay, so may mga questions tayo na kung posible nga ba talaga tong gawin. Is it really possible? Paano nga ba gawin? Kailangan ko bang sumugal? Well, mayat maya guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nyo posibleng kunin or gawin ito sa trading, okay, sa Forex, sa loob lamang ng isang araw with the twist of not being a gambler, okay, o yung nagsusugal kayo sa market. Okay, so dito makikita ninyo yung ating journal, no? Kung saan nakalagay yung mga dates. Ito yung mga time kung kailan natin nagawan ng analysis, okay? At the same time ng trade sa mga markets na ito, okay? Yung position, kung kailan ba tayo nag-short or kung kailan ba tayo nag-long, yung mga time frames as well, at the same time yung trade setups based kung ano ba yung analysis natin sa mga market na yan on that specific time, okay? So, together with that, meron din tayong yung mga trade details such as the price entry, kung saan ba tayo dapat pumasok, yung stop loss price, at the same time yung target price. Then here you go, the stop loss for a 1:1 risk reward ratio. This is automatically calculated based from the entry down to the target, kung ano ba yung ideal risk or stop loss price for you to have a 1:1 risk reward ratio. Okay, RM1, RM2, RM3, and at the same time, the status sa mga trade na ito. Okay, kung panalo nga ba siya, kung is it a losing one, is it a break-even trade, ongoing ba siya, or invalid. Alright, so let's go on and move with our market analysis. Okay, now we are here at our market analysis. So dito nyo makikita yung ating market, yung time frame na gamit natin as of this time, okay? The specific date, at the same time the specific time, okay? So dito, this was March 6 kahapon, since today is March 7, and this was around 11 a.m. Okay, 11 a.m. in the morning. So we are on the Euro AUD market inside the 15 minutes time frame. So based on the market, okay, based on the structure, based on what price is telling me, together with the ideas, together with the trade setups and the strategies we got, okay, market is actually telling me that there could be an opportunity for me to sell or short this market, by which we had this blue line. Okay, so this is trade idea number 1. So trade idea number 1, first I could actually sell at 1.70505. That's my first trade entry. Second trade entry will be at 1.7854. So technically, meron tayong 2 trade setups or dalawang trade na pwedeng gawin dito. Okay, take note of that. Then second is that meron tayong targets dito sa ilalim. Okay, so first target and the second target, first target is at 1.6966 and the second one is at 1.6893. Now, if I have my first trade setup right here, okay, as you could see, as of 11 p.m., price is around 1.70523. Okay, we could actually enter at 1.7050. And since we got 2 targets, then technically we could enter, okay, based on the strategy we got, we could enter right here with 2 trades, guys. Okay, 1 trade exiting on our first target, second trade exiting on our second target. Same din sa first or sa second trade na meron tayo dito. Okay, so as you could see, our first entry at 1.7050, guys, has filled. Okay, so pumasok na. So this was around 11 p.m. Then after how many hours, okay, pagdating ng 4 p.m. sa hapon, based on what the market is telling us, once again, okay, we got another trade opportunity naman to long, okay, or to buy. So price as of this moment was around 1.6960, and I could actually enter a long or buy trade at 1.6947. Okay, so since I got two targets. Okay, tulad nung kanina, we are going to enter right here with two trades. Okay, by each trade will target different take profit price level. Okay, so first target profit, dyan yung mag-exit yung isa nating trade, and that will be at 1.69914, and the second one will be at 1.7188. And now let's pull out the journal we made for this market setups. But before that, no, let's go from the very beginning, no, before nating ilagay sa journal kung ano ba yung mga potential trade opportunities dito. Okay? So nakikita nyo dito yung ating journal. Okay? So una, again, meron tayong trade idea number 1 by which there's an opportunity for us to take a sell or short trade based on what the market is telling us. Okay? So dito na pumapasok yung ating strategy. Now, I have two short or sell trade entry, okay, sa market na to, by which my first entry was filled at 1.7050 and my second one above here is at 1.7854, by which it is not yet filled because yung market natin as of this time 11 a.m. was around 1.7052. Okay, so take note both trades, guys, okay, together with the strategy we've used right here. My target 1 and target 2 on both trade setup for me to short or sell, okay, is just the same. Regardless na iba man yung price for us to enter, for me to enter here, pareho yung ating take profit. So ilalagay natin siya sa journal, guys, kung anong date, and that was March 6, kung anong market, this is the Euro AUD market, what position we could have on this one, which is a short one, and the time frame we've used, and this is in the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so there is this setup, the price entry, two trades, guys, so around 1.7505, stop loss, okay, based on this one at 1.7134, target price which is different at 1.6966, first target, second target at 1.68935. Okay, so kung napansin niyo saan ko nakuha yung stop loss na ito, so tanggalin muna natin to. So again, first entry for me to take a short sell trade, it was filled by the market, okay, and based on the entry together with the take profit right here, based on the setup or the strategy we've used, okay, nakalagay dito under this column, I have this stop loss price for me to have a good 1:1 risk reward ratio. So prior, if I'm going to enter at 1.7050, okay, and my target price will be at 1.69669, that will be my first target profit. What will be my ideal stop loss for me to have a 1:1 risk reward ratio, and that will be 1.71341. So I'm just going to copy this one, paste it right here. Now, since same lang yung entry natin sa first trade natin at 1.7050, pinagkaiba lang ng dalawa is yung target profit natin at 1.68935, I could just use the same stop loss. Okay, since the idea for me to enter short right here is just the same, nagkataon lang, iba lang yung aking take profit. Okay, giving me that 1:1.88 risk reward ratio. Now, that's for my trade number 1. My second trade right here is for me to enter a short at 1.7854 kapag if my setup is still valid. Okay, in this case, yes, as of this market during that time, yes, our setup is still valid. So I could just go on and wait, okay, for the price to go up at 1.7085 for me to take a short. So ilalagay ko dito, guys, sa journal once again, same market, same time frame, same position, same setup, okay, but a different price entry now, and that will be at 1.70854, 1.70854. Stop loss price, okay, saan nang base yung ating stop loss price? Yung stop loss price, guys, nag-base sa first setup na ginawa natin dito, and that will be at 1.7134. Okay, so 1.7134. Now, target price will just be the same, guys. Okay, at 1.69669, second target at 1.68935, giving me both a 1:2.43 risk reward and 1:3.94 risk reward ratio.